Welcome. If you want to change theme of your CAT S52, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now tap on the search and type here theme. Select device theme. It is right here, so tap, and we can change it for the light or the dark, or just leave it on the automatic that is based on the wallpaper. So let's change it for the dark. And right now we open, for example, the notification bar, it changed for the dark color. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.